This tutorial shows you how to use the NetHIMS scanning unit to begin the process of creating an order for any of your vendors. First thing we will do is log into the system. The twirling colored circles indicate that the system is connecting to FSS and bringing in the data we need. Before we do anything, we need to put this at the C-store level. Click on Menu, click on Select Facility, click on your drop-down arrow and select Market C-store. Click on Select. This allows you to see your stores. If left at the WSU level, the Washington State level, you would see dining centers and the other dining locations. We are going to use the receive function for this process, and then we will be using a new order. We click on that. Flix will be our example unit, and URM will be our example vendor. And we will create order. You do not have to, nor do you want to fill out anything in this area. It is set and ready to go. Remember, we're using the receive function to create an order. You could, if you like, put a note in here for purposes that allow you to differentiate between different orders. I'm going to note that this is an example. And then click on OK, and that puts us into our mode to scan items to place in our order list. Go to your storage location in your store, aim the NetHIMS unit at the shelf tag, press the trigger, and the item should scan similar to this. Blue Diamond almonds. Here's what this information is showing you. We have Blue Diamond almonds, the natural tube. They come in the 1.5 ounce package. That is a 12 count case that we will get from URM when we order one. Ignore the received portion of this. It doesn't apply to what we're using this function for, but you'll see that the default order quantity is 1. You can change that to however many you like. We'll put 2 for the purposes of this example, and then we will move on. Don't worry about this information here. It's not relevant. You can note that the scanner then keeps track of how much you've ordered down here at the bottom. As you scan items, the total will increase, and when you hit your final save, it'll show you how much that order will be based on the current prices in FSS. You may get a different amount with your invoice if prices have changed at URM. We will scan 2 or 3 more items for the purposes of this demonstration, and that will be it. Obviously, you will scan many more items depending on which vendor you're ordering from. There's our next item, which was, I'm not sure what that item is, but we're going to get one of those. We'll do 2 more. And one last one. Okay, our example order has 4 items. You can see that our total is $61.37 currently. If I bump this up to 2 and hit save, you can see the total jumps to $80.40 because it added 1 more item at this price. I've saved the order. It has been saved in FSS and will be ready for us to work with in either C-store or FSS. So I can now exit out of this application by clicking on Menu, scrolling down to Done, and then clicking on Menu again and selecting Log Out, and then Exit. That's how you use the NetHIMS scanner to begin the process of creating an order by scanning items directly from the shelf. Thank you.